Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check it out, a 1968 Pontiac Firebird. Beautiful vintage car here. Powered by a 350, automatic 350 transmission with a 355 gear, power steering, power brakes, real nice blue paint, and we'll go through it. Buckets, center console, 17-inch Riddler wheels, fresh tires, four-wheel disc brakes, just installed, dual exhaust. What a beautiful stance on this car. This is driver quality, priced in the low 30s, and a great cruiser. Great stance. Let's get up and personal and take a look at this. Bumper's in good shape with a few flaws on it on the chrome up on top. I'll point them out. You see them right here. Just needs a little bit re-chroming there. It looks original. Lower valance is fine. All your lights are working. Horn is not working. Lines up good on the hood. No real flaws in the paint. This is up a little bit. That could be pushed down. There we go, fixed. Wipers are intact but are not hooked up. Front fender's in good shape. All your badging's good. Paint's got great depth to it. Fender and door line up the way they should. Quarter and door line up, but it looks like the striker's off a little bit. I'll get that adjusted. Your glass on the driver's side and rear are good. Front windshield's in good shape. Rear quarter, which is an original quarter, is in good shape, no paint flaws. Rear glass and chrome around there, all in good shape. No stories on the trunk, lines up good. I drove it, drives out great. Stops great. Transmission shifts the way it should, and no funky noises in the suspension or anything. It's a good looking car. Paint I'd give 7.5 out of 10. Rear quarter, again, original. All done right. Couple little flaws in the paint. You know, like I said, driver quality. This door lines up great. Glass is good. Chrome around the glass is good. Yeah, this door, passenger side, is great. And front fender is good. Here's your Riddler wheels with the disc brakes in front. Slotted rotor, same in the back. Riddler 17-inch, disc brakes all the way around, freshly done. Like I said, this is a 350. They're real easy to work on, a lot of fun to drive. Back seats all intact, in good shape. Seat belts are there. Back deck's good. Roof liner's in good shape all the way through. Front seats are good. Seat belts are intact. Center console with a B&M shifter. Door panel's good. No rust to be found. Car is showing 89,295 miles. Gas gauge is not working. Could be just a wire because it's plugged all the way over to the past full. Heater is working. Aftermarket gauges. Dashboard's in good shape all the way through. Sun visors are intact. Let's take a look at that other door panel. Good shape. Nice and clean. All your original welds are there. Let's take a look inside the trunk. All your weather strippings are good. They look fresh in the trunk. Original stamp there for the quarter. Original stamp here for the quarter. All your weather strippings are good in the trunk. Closes right the way it should. Solid in the trunk. It's got a few little flaws, but it's priced right. Firebirds aren't as frequently seen as some of the other models. All right, let's fire this baby up. All right, give it a couple pumps. Speedometer is working. Nice sound. Tires are fresh. A lot of meat. Real clean underneath the engine compartment. All your hoses and belts are great. Suspension looks like it's really just been done. Power disc brake system. Power steering. Engine compartment clean. Running well. It's got a Demon carburation system. Nice driver. We'll give it a little bit more gas. Nice. This off. So if you're looking to do some financing with us and you have a score of anywhere from a 640 to a 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com, find the car and hit apply now. 10% down, minimum, 84 months, maximum term, and good rates. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. 84 months, good rates, sometimes no money down, approvals within 24 hours. If you need quotes on shipping, we ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, open trailer or enclosed. You can contact me, Earl, at 773-600-0666. 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All the pricing, descriptions, video are online at our website, mgmclassiccars.com. We're located in Addison, Illinois, open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. And you can reach me at 773-600-0919. I can answer all your questions, get you an appointment set, hopefully get one of these babies home in your garage so you can go cruising for the summer. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. Thanks for checking out this real nice Firebird. Have a great day.